What's inside every specially marked box of Cap'n Crunch cereal now? A mini magic 8-ball that will answer your questions. And if you find a gold 8-ball, you win $1,000.
Mine! All mine!
Spend it any way you want.
Where do I start?
Minnie will enter. 100 kids will win $1,000. Any questions?
To enter without purchase, write Cap'n Crunch Mini Magic 8-Ball, Box 82154, St. Paul, Minnesota 55182.